Hello everyone, this is Crystal from Machine-Soontrue. It's my turn to be the host to show you the packaging machine today. We are going to present you our floral machine SW6OE. It's a box motion model, which is suitable for packing many salad products with regular shape, such as biscuit, muffin, bread, chocolate, face mask, lacking, show, medicine, or any product with plastic tray. It consists of 5 parts: the infit conveyor, bin feeding unit, center sealing unit, and sealing unit, and outfit conveyor. Every part is controlled by individual servo motors. First, let me show you how this floor wrapping machine works. I think you should know how the product to be packed into the bag now. In order to let you know more, we are going to show you more about this packing machine. This is infit conveyor with train combination. We decide the train pitch as per product plan. The pusher for pushing product is decided as per product height and product width. And we adjust the distance between two side guides as per product width. Therefore, the product size is very important for us to confirm the machine model and to design the machine. If we pack one product per bag, we put one product in front of pusher. If we pack 2 products per bag, we just need to put 2 products in front of pusher. This infit conveyor is controlled by individual servo motor, so it can run individually. It can be applied to the low product, low pack function, which can be run to raise bin material from empty pack. This is bin feeding unit. We take the fin rolls on fin loader and roll the fin along the roller from the backboomer to the end unit. The max fin width that SW6OE can meet is 40 centimeters. Now, we're going to show you how to roll the fin on machine. There are two ways to set the backland. If the fin has color mark on, turn on fin checking function. The photo cell will measure the backland according to the distance between two color marks. Then machine will cut the fin same as the distance between two color marks. We also can adjust the cutting position on color marks lightly via touch screen. If the frame doesn't have color mark on, we just need to preset the backland on screen. This standard machine including fin splicing unit, the operation will be more convenient when changing new fin roll. This is a center sealing unit. It consists of fin feeding wheels, center sealing bar for preheating, and center sealing wheels. We preset the sealing temperature via touch screen. Which also displays the current temperature. And the sealing temperature we set depends on fin material and packing speed. For example, it requires higher temperature when sealing the same fin material at higher packing speed. The center sealing unit will open automatically when machine stops, so that the fin will not be scorched by the heating unit. This is bounce motion and sealing unit. When packing hard product with softer backland, the back sealing is much lighter than the rotary motion model. The standard machine can pack maximum 6 cm high product. We can modify the machine to pack maximum 8 cm high product according to customers' requirements. The gasket is an option. The outfit conveyor is controlled by individual servo motor. The conveyor speed can be adjusted separately. The entire machine is equipped with full servo and IPC control system. Machine is working accurately with less maintenance. It's easy to use HMI with memory function, which is more convenient when changing to pack different products. The machine frame is made from stainless steel, and all the parts in contact with product are made from stainless steel or food-approved materials. The machine design is compliant with safety production standard. Except the safety cover we mentioned before, there are different safety warning labels on machine permanently. Thank you for watching our presentation. Do you have any interest in this program machine SW6OE? If you have any question about this machine, see you in Q&A time.